Hey there, Retro Road Mappers. It's Maud Betty. I just felt it was really important for me to get out of my comfort zone and get in front of the camera and just reach out to you guys real quick. I really want to make sure everybody's handling what's going on. If you're doing okay, I just want to reach out and send some strength your way as far as dealing with these unknown times. And one of the things I thought I could do to help was perhaps, if you're interested, and this is why I'm making this video, is maybe sometime this week, would you like me to do like a Facebook Live or something where I just log on and we can kind of, I don't know, like it's almost like we would be talking, like, you know, we can talk about stuff. I can tell you about some things. You can put some things in the comments and we can have a little bit of connection during this crazy time. Thinking of doing that and realizing I've got people who watch me in all sorts of time zones. So the reason I'm doing this video right now is to see, and please put it in the comments wherever they're going to show up, wherever I post this, and let me know what a good time might be for you. I will take the majority of the times and figure out one that's good. If you want me to do a daily check-in with everybody, maybe I don't know, cup of tea with Maud Betty, or just, you know, sometime at night, during the day. I don't know. It's all new, but I just want to reach out to say, I'm here. I want to connect. We can talk about diners. We can talk about life. We can talk about, I don't know, road trips, Route 66, books. If you want me to hold you accountable to doing something, I'm already doing that for a friend of mine, so I can totally do it for you too. Anyhow, just Maud Betty, sincerely checking in during these crazy times, wanting to make the best of the situation and want to connect with you. So let me know when and where and how you want to connect in the comments, and we'll figure it out from there. Okay? I forget. I had a catchphrase once when I said goodbye. Got to make a new one. All right. Love you guys. Bye.